My name is Allison Holloway and this is my audience. Okay. What is a coupler and what does it have to do with frosting a cupcake? My name is Allison Holloway and today I'm going to show you how to frost and decorate cupcakes. I've been baking since I was in the 4th grade. I have taken 3 baking classes. I've also made a handful of cupcakes and cakes for some birthdays and some baby showers. If you want to check out some of my baking work, you can go to my baking page on Instagram called @AllieBakeYouAnything. All this info I've learned today are from 2 baking classes I have taken. One with a lady named Rachel who has a baking shop called Pastries by Rachel in Lindsboro, Kansas, and another with a good friend named Mrs. Haas. So first I'm going to show you, we're going to start out with just a bag, a pastry bag, to frost our cupcakes. All you need is a piping bag. It's actually not called a pastry bag, it's a piping bag. And you're going to have a coupler. This is a coupler. The bottom of the coupler is on the inside, the top of the coupler is on the outside. You use a coupler so you can change tips without having to change your bag for baking. And also you're going to have a tip. You can use any kind of tip you want. I like to use the circular tip. Well, I like to use all the tips, but today I'm going to be using the circular tip. So I have my cupcakes here, and I'm going to show you guys how to frost them. Now when you frost your cupcakes, you first want to make sure you got all the air bubbles out of your pastry bag. And also you want to twist it on the top, okay? Now, when you do your frosting, you want to make sure you squeeze from your hand to your palm. You don't want to squeeze it like that with the tips of your fingers. You want to make sure you lightly squeeze from your hand to your palm. These 2 techniques I'm going to show you are from a YouTube channel called Nerdy Nummies. So the first technique I'm going to show you is you're going to start on the inside of the cupcake and you're going to apply pressure. You're going to start on the inside, apply pressure, and you're going to slowly circulate, I don't know what I'm saying, but I guess circle all the way around to the outside as you apply the pressure. Make sure you take your time and be steady. Once you get to the outside of the cupcake, then you start circling back to the inside of the cupcake. All the way around. It takes a lot of strength sometimes. Sometimes the frosting won't come out. Then once you get back to the center of the cupcake, you're going to pull off and release the pressure. And there you have your first cupcake. The second one we're going to do is we're going to make little dots. So we're going to start in the center at a 90-degree angle from the cupcake. And we're going to start by pushing down, applying pressure, and then as you come up, you're going to release. Push down, release. Push down, release, like that. And you're going to do it all the way around the cupcake till you covered the whole entire cupcake. And it would look something like this. So that's what it would look like. Then if you want, you can add decoration to your cupcakes. Today I decided to use little mini cookies. You can use little mini cookies. So I decided to use a little mini cookie to put on top of my cupcake. You can just stick it up on the top. You can also use some chocolate ganache. It can be a little bit messy, but it gives it a nice final touch to it. Just do that. And it makes it look really professional. And then you can also put some powdered sugar on it, which is what I did with this one. So here's some final touches to some of my cupcakes. I hope you've enjoyed watching how to frost cupcakes. I hope you can use this in the future to show people you know how to frost cupcakes like a pro and wow your friends and family.